In this video, we will be looking at a pneumatics prototype board. Pneumatics are anything that have to do with air. This includes air pumps, valves, and pistons. Pneumatics are most often used on a robot to lift objects and move arms. The first piece and the driving force in a pneumatic system is the air compressor. This is what is hooked up directly to your battery. It is what gathers air that can then be used in the system. Directly on the air compressor is a gold safety pressure release. This is a safety measure that automatically releases when pressure reaches a danger level. Following the tubing, the next item is the air tank. This is where the main bulk of the air is stored that is used to power the system. Going from there are three safety items. The small black box is a pressure monitor. This is an electric monitor that can communicate with the computer and tell the driver how much pressure is in the system. Next to that is an analog pressure gauge. This is a standard reader that can tell someone who is working directly on the robot how much pressure is in the system. The last of the three is a manual pressure release. This allows someone who is working on the pneumatics to be able to release and hold pressure when they need to. Going from there, the next item is a regulator. This allows for control on how much pressure is being forced further down the system. It twists to allow for more and less pressure and then locks in place so it can't change. Down from that is a solenoid. A solenoid is an item that is hooked up to the computer. A solenoid is a pneumatic switch that can direct where air pressure is flowing. Connected to the solenoid is an air piston. The piston is what moves in a pneumatic system. They can lift objects and move arms. Going back to the regulator, we can head over to the step-down regulator. This piece of equipment gives even more control in the flow of air pressure. It is used when wanting to add another piston, but wanting a different amount of pressure to be put into that piston. The step-down regulator leads to another solenoid, which leads to another piston. And that is how a pneumatics board works. Thanks for watching.